Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to vertically align text in table in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document and go to your document and go to the table. And firstly, double click or drag and select the all table cell. Go to the table menu and go to the table cell and click text. Then we can see here are table cell option. Then here are vertically justification. Now I am align text, vertically align text in table. Then click the preview and select the align, click the align drop down menu, align bottom, top, vertically justification, bottom, center, top, easily. Then select align center. Then you can change text rotation 90, 180 degree to 17. Now I'm select 0 degree, then click OK. Then select the all cell and you can align right, center, left easily. Now you can see vertically aligned text in table in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for